about to be met by Becky.
Here she comes all the way from Towson University in the UK. This is everybody's favorite cheerleader. This is Becky.
Man, I'll tell you right now, last time I saw Becky, she was absolutely going crazy last time.
Well, she still goes crazy today, but she does it in the kitchen. And the evidence of that is right behind us here at the broadcast position. Check out those goodies. Are they all gone yet? Those probably wouldn't.
I don't know, but today she says, "Hello, VWE. How's everyone tonight?"
Oh, everybody sounds amped up tonight.
It's Shockwave. We have so many amazing matches tonight, guys. We have cookies and treats laid out for all you in the crowd, and there's many more surprises in store. We're all excited. I just want to get you all ready and excited for tonight's show, and to help me with this. Oh, girls. Wait, what?
More?
Oh my
check this
God.
out.
He brought more.
Here comes Becky's cheer squad.
That's right. Now we have Becky, and I believe, if I'm right, wait, never mind. See this?
Becky, Brittany, and Tiffany.
He says, "Everyone, let's give a warm welcome to my cheerleading BFFs from university. Welcome to VWE, guys."
Absolutely.
Now, shall we do what we do best?
Gotta do it.
Are you guys ready? Ready? Okay.
There they go.
You might be good at basketball. You might be good at track. But when it comes to wrestling, you might as well step back. Might as well step back.
Say what? Say what?
Might as well step back. Might as well step back.
Can't hear you.
Go VWE. Yeah, she's jumping for joy.
It is quite a cheerleading display there from Becky and the Towson University cheerleading squad.
Just one more? Okay. Give me an S. Give me an H.
H.
Give me an O.
O.
Give me a C.
C.
Give me a K.
K.
Give me a W.
W.
Give me an A.
A.
Give me a V.
B.
Give me a E.
E.
What does that spell?
Shockwave.
Shockwave. Now let's get this started with Shockwave. Have fun, everyone, and good luck to everybody in the back. Let's go, girls. Goodbye, VWE. Enjoy.
Let's hear it from the Towson University cheerleading squad coming all the way across the pond for us here tonight at